On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson prepares a delicious blackened chicken dish served with an apple raisin chutney. Preparing this sweet and savory duo is about as straightforward as it gets. It's easy, healthy, and tastes great. Perfect for a weeknight dinner. First things first, we chop. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1½ teaspoons of white pepper, 1½ teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground sage, ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 6 tablespoons of paprika, and 1½ teaspoons of ground basil. Stir these great spices together. It looks like a lot, but they're all going to be put to work. Take the seasoning mix and spoon it over the chicken breasts. Be as generous as you can with this. Be sure to cover both sides of the chicken. Heat up a ½ teaspoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the chicken. Let it cook for about 3 minutes, and then flip the chicken over and cook the other side for 3 more minutes. After both sides have been blackened and the chicken is cooked through, remove it from the heat. Now we can move on to... In a large mixing bowl, drop in the diced apple, 2 tablespoons of raisins, a 1/4 cup of applesauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, add in the green onion, followed by our spices, a pinch of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of curry powder. And finally, add in the minced onion and minced garlic. Stir all of these ingredients together. Then let it sit and marinate for a few minutes. Serve the chutney with the blackened chicken for a sweet and savory dish that is fit to eat. If you'd like to see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob talks to Larry Stevenson, fruit explorer and owner of Southern Cultured Orchards and Nursery. They talk about the many different apple varieties that have been phased out over the years and the many efforts to bring certain apples back from the brink of extinction. For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.